Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, the sale video which we posted, it went well. So today I shipped everything. Actually, the time I'm recording this video, this is a Saturday night. So everything is shipped out on this particular day, and so I will continue to do that. Maybe not very soon, maybe a bit later once I shift these things and once I get to know what I'm planning to let go of. So then I will do the next video, I mean the next sale video. So with that said, so this week we are going to unbox mix of Matchbox and Hot Wheels. So I bought a couple of Matchbox from this year's set. So let's start with this one. So this is a Dodge V Series truck, and I do have some more Matchbox on hold, so hopefully I will get that. So it's a Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, and this one looked really nice. And Ford Bronco. So a last one in Matchbox series for this week, the Jeep Avenger. So next one, this I bought for some time back, but I didn't even unbox it, which is this one, the Porsche 911 Off-Roader. This is from the Track Fleet set actually. This one looked really nice, even the livery, the color combination with matte black and everything. Luckily I was able to get one, so I immediately bought it. I bought for MRP only. And last but not least, I'm not sure how many people unboxed this, because a lot of people are thinking this as an investment, but as you guys know, I usually unbox everything, so I'm going to unbox this. So this is a Formula 1 pack. So luckily I was able to get this one. I got some for my group also at that time. So yeah, so we are going to unbox uh, all this week. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.